Here I am in my car, as I often am, waiting for my daughter, and I thought I'd take this opportunity to record a tutorial with a new breathing technique. And I actually learned this one from my mom. I hadn't learned this one before, so thank you, Mom, for suggesting this. It's called 4-7-8 breathing. It's pretty self-explanatory, but I'll walk you through it. What you're going to do is inhale for a count of 4. You're going to hold that breath for a count of 7, and then exhale for a count of 8. Now, if those are too long, please customize, shorten as you need to. The ideal situation is that your exhale lasts a little bit longer than your inhale. So in this particular breathing exercise, the exhale lasts twice as long as the inhale. But again, maybe you start with less and work up to it. So we can try it together once. So go ahead and exhale. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, if that's too long, just shorten the hold or the exhale a little bit and give it a try. See if it makes you feel a little more calm.